Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to speed up the egg hatching process on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to speed up the egg hatching process on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Widgetable app. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, simply open the Widgetable app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options on the upper taskbar. Now to speed up the egg hatching process, you just need to click on the option of more, and here you'll see the option of shop, pet, garden, message, events and wallpaper. So click on the option of pets, and here you'll see the eggs option, and under that you'll see the number of eggs which are hatching. So below the egg which you are hatching, you'll see the option of speed up. So click on it, and to speed up you will see the various options like a rocket like icon, the egg like icon, and a free icon which is -6 hours. So you may select the option which you like. So if you are a pro member or VIP member, you may click on the option of rocket, which minuses the time of 24 hours. So your egg will be hatched faster. And if you click on the option of -6 hours, you just need to add the Widgetable on your home screen or the lock screen, and it will help you to minus the time by 6 hours. And if you want to do it for free, that is 1 hour, you need to simply play the ad which will be played by the Widgetable app. So by doing all of it, you will be able to hatch the egg faster or speed up the egg hatching process on the Widgetable app. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.